Post, and today I will be doing a short video which will do an overview of the default or classic editor that's found in WordPress. Now, this editor, you should really get yourself familiar with it because all the builders, Divi Builder, Beaver Builder, Visual Composer, all those other ones, all rely on this built-in editor. So the more that you get comfortable with it, the more you become familiar with it, the easier it will be to be able to use those builders. So first thing you need to do, go to your post, add new, or up top, new. And you can see you have other options up there under that one. I've already got mine laid out just to kind of speed things up a little bit. So you see the first one, it says header 1. I'm going to highlight that right here where it says paragraph. Click on header 1. You see it changes. Header 3 and header 5. So you see each one reduces in size, goes all the way down to 6. I'm not going to do each one of them, but you get the idea. You can see when I click in those areas how it changes. And down here on the paragraph, guess what? Paragraph. All right. So if you're wanting to make your text bold or italics, same thing. Just highlight it, click bold, and see it changed. No longer bold. Italics. No italics. Bold with italics. All right. Pretty simple, straightforward. One thing I will tell you, if you do certain areas, sometimes it likes to make the entire thing bold, especially with headers. Boom. So the way to prevent that, hit return. That way you break that paragraph and header. There you go. Alright. Some of the other things we can do. We can create a list. See, I highlighted it. So when I hit return, it continues on with the list. Turn. Alright, so you see it did a third one. Now let's say I'm done with it. I only wanted 2 parts. Hit return again. Boom. Done. Back. There you go. Alright, so we're going to remove this. Okay, so it's gone. If I want to do a numbered list, same thing. 3. Alright. So now I'm done with the list. Let's say I want to do a quote. We will do the lorem ipsum, generic Latin paragraph that gets used as a text filler. That will be our quote. We will highlight it, click quote, and you're thinking, all it did was indent it. Is that it? No, scroll up to preview. Click your preview. I already had mine open. Normally it'll open a new window. This is just a preview. Ah, there's my quote. Stands out a little bit more. If you start using different editors, you'll see that they style it different ways. Some of them even have fancy little modules you can drop in and just do all kinds of stuff. We're not going to get in that. All right. Ooh. So, quote's gone. Next thing's up is the alignment. By default, it aligns left, center, to the right. Preview. and you can see it all aligned to the right. Click on it again, it removes it, it defaults back to the left. So you want to add a link. It's easy. Highlight the text you want to use, click the little chain link, add in your web address. You can click enter. Boom. It's done. Now, one thing you do want to do, I would recommend, if you're posting a link to a site that is not yours, edit link, click the little cog or gear, link options. Okay, so you got your URL, you got your link text, open link in a new tab. Click that. If it's on your site and you're going to another page on your site, you can leave it unclicked. If you're going to send them to another website, click it. The reason why, it will keep the tab of your website open. You want to keep them on your website as much as possible. So we're going to update that. And now going to preview. Link. Boom. You can see it goes to my site. There it is. All right. Now, you normally, this will be closed. It will not be open. Click it. You got some other nice little stuff. Strike through. Horizontal. Line. Let's preview that one real quick so you can see. Line. It's kind of like a page break. Okay. Then you can change the text color. Blue. I like blue, by the way. All right. So you can choose a custom color. If you know the code, the RGB hex, you can put it in here. It will, boom, show up. Click OK. You're good. Paste as text. Now what this one will do is just paste as text. No coding, no text marking such as the coloring or anything like that. It'll just do regular text. That way, if you've got crazy stuff in it that you've copied and pasted and you don't know about, you can click paste as text. All right, clear formatting, the little eraser. Boom. So the format was the coloring. Looking for special characters such as copyright, trademark. Find it underneath that. And then indent. Notice how as it gets smaller, the indent gets bigger. It starts spilling over to the next line. Paragraph gets taller. All right. Now, last of all, one of the most important things that you could ever use. Let's say I'm doing something. I'm like, ah, crap, I just deleted that. Right up here. The back arrow. Click it. Boom. Now, on a Mac, it is Command Z. On Windows, it is Control Z. Hit it. Boom. I just saved my post that I spent 20 hours on, and whew, now it's all there. Now, some builders have autosaves, which is great. Don't rely on it. Don't get used to it, because if you make a mistake and it didn't save, guess what? You're out of luck. Last thing, keyboard shortcuts. This gives you all the shortcuts of all the different things you can do. It's great stuff. So again, familiarize yourself with this default editor. Every builder that you use will use this in some way. Some will add extra things to it, like Elegant Themes has with the box, button, and tabs. But get familiar with it, so that way as you transition into a builder, it will make things a lot more comfortable, make it a lot easier. Alright, that's it. This is Jeff from Vertical Host. Hope you enjoyed this video.